Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for JBL Boombox owners, the ultimate replacement charger. That promises to keep your music pumping without interruption. This right here is the Super JBL Boombox Charger. It's designed to seamlessly replace your original JBL Boombox charger, ensuring you never miss a beat. Let's get into why this is the best choice out there. First off, it delivers 19 volts at 4.74A, packing a punch with 90 watts of power. This means rapid charging without compromising on safety. Safety is paramount. This charger meets rigorous national standards for electronic safety, so you can rest assured your device is protected. It's tailored specifically for JBL Boombox 1 and 2, ensuring flawless compatibility. Just plug it in and play, no hassle, no fuss. Built with durability in mind, it features a robust design with a waterproof casing, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Users rave about its efficiency and reliability. It's engineered to handle prolonged use, making it perfect for long listening sessions or parties. Wrapping up, if you're looking to replace your JBL Boombox charger, this is hands down the best option on the market. With its robust build, safety certifications, and excellent customer support, it's a no-brainer for any JBL Boombox owner. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more unbiased product reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.